YouTube just secretly launched 5 massive YouTube algorithm shifts that completely change how easy it is to grow for small channels right now. In fact, they turned on easy mode basically for the rest of the year for the channels that are going to implement the 5 things that I share with you in this video. These things just help this creator get monetized on YouTube, this creator too, and this creator, and the same exact thing can happen to you so long as you implement these 5 things to turn on easy mode when it comes to growing, getting monetized on YouTube. But I will warn you, if you skip any of these things, it's going to be the reason that you find it harder than ever before to grow right now. Change number 1 is you need to make sure that you begin optimizing your content for getting hype points, because getting hype points on your content is going to make it really easy for YouTube to push out your channel. And lucky for you, this is a new feature that they just launched specifically for new channels. Check this out. Now to prove this to you, check this out right here. If we come over into this new channel that I started this year that has been blowing up, we come into the analytics right here, and then we come up here into advanced mode. You can see under metrics that I could come over here and change this to hype. Now, if we pull up hype points right here, what do you notice? These 2 videos got a lot of hype points. These 2 videos are blowing up. In fact, if we look into this video right here and we actually come into the analytics of this video, come over here, click on analytics, we can see that I uploaded this video just a few days ago, and this video has been absolutely blowing up. In fact, I want you to show you the analytics here. If we come over here and see what this actually looks like, we could see that from this one video that I uploaded just a few days ago, once this actually loads, it's gotten 66,000 views. I've made almost $500 from it. I've gotten enough watch time to get monetized and over 1,000 subscribers literally just from this one video. And the same thing can happen to you once you start optimizing for hype points. And the way that you do that is start adding a call to action, reminding people to make sure that they hype up your video, because that's going to lead to more people giving you hypes, you getting more hype points, and instantly your video is beginning to get more views. Change number 2 is that YouTube will literally tell you whether or not they're going to push out your content, and you can do a search for whatever you're going to post about before you ever even make a video about it and see if the video is going to do well or not. Check this out. Okay, now in order to see if YouTube actually wants to push the content out, you're going to want to come into analytics, come into trends, and then you could literally type in the topics of your videos right here. For example, if I type in YouTube algorithm right here, we're going to notice something, because this isn't the channel that you are currently watching this video on. So if I come over here, type in YouTube algorithm, this takes a second to load, but this is going to tell me that there's low interest from my viewers. If you do a search for a topic you were going to post about and you see low, you see medium, you see that this doesn't show anything, that means do not make a video about that, because it is only going to hurt your channel and it is only going to lead to you not getting the views that you want. And we can see that none of these folks right here are people that I compete with. Now, we come over here and we type in ChatGPT. This is going to say very high interest. Why? Because on this channel, I talk about AI news, and one of the biggest topics is ChatGPT. We can see right here, very high interest from my viewers. So you need to make sure that whatever you are about to post about, it could be a topic, it could be a title, it could be a subject, it could be a format. Come over here, analytics, trends, type this in, and make sure it says very high interest. If it does not say very high interest, then you making that video is going to be a complete waste of your time. It's going to lead to a decrease in your reach. Now, in addition to that, if we click on audience right here, we scroll down, this will show you what is popular with new viewers, what is popular with casual viewers, what is popular with regular viewers. You want to try to avoid topics that are popular with regular or casual viewers, and instead you want to focus on new viewers, because those are the people that are going to help your YouTube channel grow, help you get more subscribers, help you get more views, and ultimately you obviously want YouTube showing your content to new people and not just showing your content to the same old people over and over again, because that will actually lead to a decrease in subscribers and views over time. Now, change number 3 is it just got even easier for you to be able to figure out what kind of content the YouTube algorithm is pushing and what kind of trends are happening in your niche. In fact, if you literally just take advantage of this next shift right here and forget everything else, I guarantee you're going to blow up on YouTube in 2025. Check this out. Now this right here is really going to blow your mind. Let's say that we come over here and we do a search for something like YouTube algorithm. We are now going to see, if you have vidIQ, you're going to see this right here. They literally just launched this. You could go through right here and you can filter by videos, shorts, lives. You can sort by default, but I would recommend that you do this by views per hour. And you can literally come through here and see what videos are getting the most views per hour for any niche or for your niche, and you can actually filter this by a ton of different things. So this goes through and shows us the results right here. If we come over here to all time, I'm going to do this month, and then this is going to show us what videos are getting the most views. So as we can see right here, major YouTube announcement, 30 new features coming. This is something that is crushing it in my niche right now, so I should probably make a video on this. Or if we come over here, what's happening on YouTube, this is something that is crushing it right now, and this will show us exactly what videos are doing the best in your niche. And you could come through and do this for search results. You could do this for browse features. You could do this for suggested videos. And let's say that we want to get rid of videos and lives and we only want to see what's working for shorts. We could see this too, and we could come over here and change this for the last 3 months. So we could see that there's not that many topics under here that are actually doing that well. And again, we could sort this by outlier score, publish date, subscribers, views, default. This makes it way easier for you to be able to figure out exactly what is trending. And we could actually load more videos here if we wanted to by clicking on this. And then this is going to begin to show more content in here that is doing well. And again, this is going to allow you to find exactly what is trending for any search, for any topic, for any niche, and allow you to filter it incredibly easy. So you don't have to go through and struggle with coming up with content ideas or trying to understand what your audience actually wants to watch. Literally just use vidIQ right here, straight from on YouTube, and it will show you what people are watching the most. And the best part about vidIQ is you could go to the pinned comment below right now and get started with it for only $1. Without vidIQ, I would have never gained over 800,000 subscribers and I would have never gotten monetized on YouTube. And if you're not using it, your competitors are. And that's why they're getting more views than you, making more money than you, and they're just outgrowing on YouTube. And you need to make sure that you even the playing field by going below and signing up. Please don't let $1 be the difference between you growing on YouTube or you not growing. Change number 4 is that you need to make sure that you're uploading multiple videos about the same exact topic. In fact, this has been one of the secrets that's allowed me to grow so quick. Check this out. Now this right here is probably the most underrated thing when it comes to actually growing on YouTube. Let's say that we come over here and we type in something like best time. We could see that I have made several videos about this and they pretty much always do well. 18,000 views, 21,000 views, 15,000 views, 92,000, 80,000. Almost 700,000. So if we add all of these up, this is about 1 million views that I've gotten from the same exact topic. And that's just from shorts. If we come over to long form content and we type in the same thing, best time, we could see I've also uploaded several videos on this. 13,000, 13,000, 7,000, 9,000, 10,000. And if we filtered this by views, we could see I've also got videos with 128,000, 126, 114, 98, 80, 76. Again, I've probably gotten anywhere from 500,000 to 1 million views on this. So this topic in general has gotten me about 1.5 to 2 million views on YouTube. Now, most of you are scared to post about the same thing several times, but you shouldn't be because the YouTube algorithm actually rewards that. A lot of people think that the YouTube algorithm is going to punish you for that, but that's not actually the case because you can upload about topics multiple different times and YouTube will continue to push it so long as that's something that your ideal audience actually wants to watch. And the way that you can find whether or not it's something they want to watch is using vidIQ like I showed you in the last segment, or come over into analytics, click on trends and go over, type in that topic and see if it's something that your ideal audience actually wants to watch. And if it is, this is going to increase the odds that you continue to get more and more views on YouTube instead of you having to recreate the wheel, because it shouldn't be hard like that. You shouldn't be coming up with new content ideas every single day. You should be seeing if there's anything obvious that's new and if there's anything that's worked before in the past that you can double down on, or something that's worked before in the past that you can make another video on. Then the last and most important change is you can now upload multiple times a day on YouTube, and this is something that is completely different. In fact, just a few months ago, you weren't able to do this in like 99% of niches on YouTube. The only niche that you were really able to do this on was the news niche, but now that has completely changed because now you could upload a long form video and 2 shorts or 3 shorts, even 4 shorts. I know some creators that are uploading 10 shorts a day. Now I know what you're thinking, Rob, I don't have time to make that many shorts, in which case, I'm not talking to you. But what I am saying is that you can now upload multiple videos every single day on YouTube. And here's how this breaks out. Creators that upload more videos, more thoughtful videos, on more thoughtful topics are going to end up growing quicker. Because think about it. If you think about YouTube, it is free to put out a YouTube video. So why wouldn't you put out as many videos as you possibly can? Now, I'm not telling you to put out AI slop, and I'm not telling you to put out videos that aren't thoughtful, but what I am telling you to do is you need to make sure that you're uploading multiple videos about each topic multiple times a day in order to increase the odds that you end up going viral on YouTube, getting the subscribers you want, and ultimately getting the growth that you want. Because this is a very unique period right now in YouTube history where any channel in any niche can upload multiple times a day and actually get rewarded for it. And you need to make sure you're taking advantage of this. Now, if you want to grow faster on YouTube, the same exact way that I help this creator grow, this creator grow, and this creator grow, well, please check out this video right here that walks you through the 3 different ways I can help you grow one-on-one. I'll see you over there.